I was ready to publish a video about how Dubai real estate was holding strong, but the situation in the region sincerely still remains uncertain. With renewed tension around the Strait of Hormuz, buyers are becoming more cautious. March made a lot of people nervous about Dubai real estate. Some thought the market was cooling fast, but April is showing a different story. This was not a collapse expected by many investors. It was a pause. The market took a coffee break. Yes, real estate market activity slowed for a while. Buyers moved more carefully, and deal flow was softer than the peak weeks earlier in the year. But a big part of that slowdown was operational too. March overlapped with Ramadan, when schedules across parts of the system became shorter. Banks ran on holiday hours, trustee offices shortened shifts, developers paused for family time, and some transactions simply moved into April. Deals didn't vanish, they just got rescheduled. Now in April, liquidity was clearly coming back. The market is active again, and luxury deals are still landing every day. We're seeing daily luxury deals, 30 million, 50 million, even a 171 million dirham penthouse in Jumeirah. That tells us strong assets are still strong, even while weaker stock may need better pricing or better terms. Reality check. The luxury segment grew 26% in first quarter, hitting about 90 billion dirham. These aren't impulsive buys. These are strategic investors, family offices, global high net worth individuals placing long-term bets. When that segment keeps moving, that's not panic, that's a signal. Waterfront villas, prime downtown units, Palm Jumeirah residences, transactions are moving. What is adjusting? Older inventory, overpriced mid-tier stock, projects without clear value. But quality? Quality still attracts capital, always has, always will. The market is also splitting more clearly now. Here's where it gets interesting. How about smaller and mid-sized developers? They're getting creative. Extended payment plans, fee waivers, hidden incentives, guaranteed ROI offers. Meanwhile, giants master developers, mostly holding firm. They have the advantage of brand trust and demand. In Dubai, that trust still matters, and it shows up in pricing power. Translation: in uncertain times, buyers don't run from quality. They run toward it. So the real question is not, is the market up or down? Ask these instead. Which segments are still accelerating? Which developers have real delivery power, not just marketing? Where's the real value hiding, not just the cheapest price? Where is demand strongest? Which projects are still liquid? Which assets are strongest if the region stays under pressure? This is the second stress event in a short period, and premium real estate is still trading. This does not mean Dubai real estate is collapsing. It means the market is being judged in a much more serious way. The Strait of Hormuz is not just a headline. It is a strategic route that affects trade, logistics, energy, and investor confidence across the Gulf. Right now, this market rewards strategy more than emotion. This market doesn't reward fear. It rewards strategy, timing, and selectivity. In Dubai, strong assets are still holding better than weaker stock. Prime villas, waterfront homes, and high-quality communities still attract serious buyers. But now the gap is widening. Good projects with strong developers and strong locations are standing out even more, while weaker inventory may need better terms, more incentives, or deeper discounts. Dubai is still one of the most attractive real estate markets in the region, but this is no longer a market for blind optimism. It's a market for strategy, discipline, and smart positioning. If you want to know where smart money is deploying capital right now, which 2026 launches still have upside and which to avoid, how to spot discounts that are actually opportunities, and which areas deserve caution, drop me a message. No fluff, just data, insights, and what's actually moving in Dubai this week. Because in real estate, the best deals aren't shouted, they're shared.